Good morning, everyone. Dorothy is going to be planting her little wild rose kit that she just got on Monday. She and her Aunt Janelle have little tiny matching kits, or coordinating kits, right? Aunt Janelle has, what does Aunt Janelle have?
Lavender.
Aunt Janelle has lavender, and Dorothy has the wild rose. And they are pen pals, and they are going to keep track of each other's planting progress. But Dorothy and I together did 2 other kits yesterday. What did we do yesterday?
We did.
There goes the tablecloth.
Daisies.
We did daisies.
And we did lemons, but the cat knocked it over.
Brownie is the worst gardener we know. He is houseplant's natural enemy. Okay, so let's get started here, kiddo.
So open it up.
Mm-hmm.
And it has the dirt, but I'm going to keep it in there. You can paint the pot.
Mm-hmm.
And it says growing instructions. Dissolve growing medium pellet in 1 tablespoon of water. I have that here.
Okay.
And drop it in. It's fun to watch.
Oh, there it goes, starting to suck it in. A little dirt sponge. We liked watching that yesterday, didn't we?
Yeah, it was fun.
How it sucked in from all around. Oh, there it goes. It's getting bigger. I like that. What did they call it? Growth medium?
Growing medium pellet.
Growing medium pellet. They don't dare call it soil, which is a little alarming. So have you ever had a kit like this grow, Dorothy? Have you done a kit like this before that grows?
No.
No.
I never had a kit like this.
Okay. I had a kit like this, and I tried it, and I got everything to sprout, and then it all dropped dead. So I don't know if that's the kit's fault or my fault. I don't think it was Brownie's fault, although I'm blaming Brownie for that lemon balm.
Yeah, because I had to be on the surface, and now the dirt's all over the place.
Now the dirt's everywhere. All right. Looks like our pellet's all grown up. What do you do next, Tootsie?
Fluff it with a fork.
Fluff it with a fork.
Top isn't ready.
What are we making in there? That looks like soil. Oh, don't worry about the tablecloth, kid.
Then fluff with a fork and place it into a pot.
I love that teeny tiny pot. I just love miniatures. Aunt Janelle loves miniatures too.
She was about to take the wild... Mom was about to take the wild rose, and then I said, leave it for Aunt Janelle. But then she asked me if we should get one and then write how they're growing.
Oh, Aunt Janelle said that you guys should each have one after Mom tried to take it for herself. I can't help it. It's such a cute little thing.
Okay. pot. Use sowing info table below to determine how deep to plant your seeds. It's right here. So it's lavender rose. So it says seeds 3 to 5. Okay. 1/4 inch.
All right, so that's just barely down in there.
Yeah, because an inch is this big, so a 1/4 inch would be like this big.
Okey yoke.
These are our seeds.
All right. What was, did this, I don't know where this came from because Abuela bought it, but.
It's Buzzy.
Buzzy's the brand. Buzzy. Cute, so cute.
She got the shirts at Family Dollar, so.
No, they weren't from Family Dollar.
No, my tag said Family Dollar on it.
Yours, your shirt?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
So.
Because I actually saw those shirts in a different store. Ha ha ha. It wasn't Family Dollar. What have we got? I saw them just yesterday. I wanted to buy all of them. Oh, cute. Those are ball seeds.
There's one stuck in the package.
I say let it go, kid. It's going to give you that much trouble. Or you can rip the rest of the package.
I'm getting it down right now.
All right. Do it your way. Bossy mom.
That only took a few seconds.
Okay. You've got lots of patience. All right. So there's your dirt. You're just pushing it down a little.
Just push it down just a little tiny bit.
Alrighty.
Oops. What is Brownie doing?
Brownie? He's playing in the living room. I don't know with what. I can't see him from here. Oh, wait. There he goes. He's got his orange tinsel ball.
I was lost.
He's got it now. Goodness, how many seeds are there?
It says seeds 3 to 5.
3 to 5?
This is more than 5.
Yeah, maybe we should put the rest in another pot? I don't know, this is crazy. You want to try it all? Go ahead and try it all. What do I care?
The lemon's not gonna work.
Right. Very nice, kiddo.
I have this much more.
Oh, well, if you want. I mean, we don't have any more growing medium pellets, but we have dirt and compost. We could put them in another pot if you want.
Yeah, I'll put these rest of lemon in another pot.
Okay.
Next step. Sow seeds lightly, cover with growing medium.
You did that when you pressed them down, right? Oh, I see. You kept a little.
So make sure you keep some extras.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's right. We did do that yesterday. I forgot.
Except for the lemon, that one.
Oh, right. The lemon just said you got to press it down. So each one has its own specific directions. They're a little different, each plant, what it needs.
So make sure you read the directions if it's not the rose.
Mm-hmm.
You should still read the directions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cover pot with plastic wrap.
Oh, right. We didn't have plastic wrap. What did we use?
Sandwich bags.
Sandwich bags. Because since we don't leave the house anymore, we don't need our sandwich bags.
This is definitely fitting in there.
Mm-hmm.
The lemon, the daisy did not fit.
Right, but we still were able to get it over the top.
In the sandwich bag, the lemon fit in the sandwich bag, but it had to be resting on the green part. But this one definitely fits.
Great.
And next, cover plastic wrap. Place in a warm, bright location and keep growing medium moist but not over water. Remove plastic wrap once seeds germinate. Once seedlings develop their second set of leaves, begin watering with plant fertilizer. Mix at half strength. Transplant seedlings to garden or a larger pot once they reach 2 to 3 inches tall. And let's see at the germination. We already saw the seed, what kind, the number of seeds, the depth, and the germination is 4 to 6 weeks.
Ooh, all right. Now, how did we learn yesterday was a good way to water these little tiny babies without drowning them?
Spray bottle.
Spray bottle. Spray bottle with water. All right, kiddo. I think we'll have to check back in 4 to 6 weeks and see if you've got sprouts, right?
Yeah.
All right. Aunt Janelle, get on it. She's done. See you later.
Bye.